In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Jira. Many users find dark mode to be easier on the eyes and more visually pleasing, especially during long sessions of work or when you're burning the midnight oil. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to the Jira platform. Head over to the Your Work section in Jira. This is the hub where you'll see all the tasks and projects you're currently working on, making it a natural starting point for managing your setting preferences. Once you are in the Your Work section, take a look at the top right corner of the page. Here you should see your profile icon. Now this is typically displayed as either your profile picture or an initial icon if you haven't uploaded a photo yet. By clicking on this profile icon, you will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. This menu is essentially your gateway to customizing your Jira interface, among other things. After clicking your profile, you'll notice an option labeled Theme. This is where you can personalize the appearance of your Jira dashboard. Customizing the theme can help make your workspace feel a bit more personal and tailored to your liking. Go ahead and select Theme from this drop-down menu. Now once you've clicked on Theme, you should see a couple of options pop up regarding how you'd like your Jira interface to be displayed. Typically, these options will include the choice between the default light theme and the dark theme. Since today we're focusing on how to switch to dark mode, you'll want to select dark. This will immediately alter your Jira interface to the dark mode setting. What you'll likely notice is a shift in the background color to a darker hue, changing from the stark whites and lighter greys to deeper blacks and greys. The beauty of using dark mode lies in its ability to reduce glare and eye strain, which can be particularly helpful when working in low light environments or for extended periods at night. Plus, many find that dark mode can sometimes help conserve battery life on certain devices, although this depends on your specific hardware and settings. If at any point you feel the need to toggle back to the light theme or explore other customization options, simply revisit this section through the same steps and make your selection according to your preference. Remember, these settings are here to enhance your user experience, so feel free to adjust them as necessary to create the most comfortable working environment for you. In summary, enabling dark mode on Jira is a straightforward process, but one that can potentially make a significant difference in your day-to-day operations, especially when you're spending a lot of time in front of the screen. Whether you're trying to mitigate eye fatigue, appreciate the sleek aesthetics, or just want to try something new, switching to dark mode is a great customization to consider. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you find the dark mode setting as enjoyable and useful as many other users do. If you have any thoughts or tips about using Jira with dark mode that you'd like to share, feel free to comment. Until next time, happy working.